the stations benefit. Those who are going to review, they benefit. Those who are undertaking the review, they also benefit. And then ultimately, यही इसी जब आप सारे workshops को खत्म कर लेंगे, sorry, the visits when you finish, we will all come together again. Sometime in the month of April or May, we will come together again, and each one of you will make a presentation. You will share your experience, isn't it? That will be fantastic learning for this entire group. तो अभी बात समझ में आ गई? इसीलिए हमने ये कहा कि this is voluntary. Did you receive my mail? All of you? That's how it started. So we are saying it is voluntary. We are not forcing. Ministry does not want to force any kind of a evaluation which you are not willing to participate, because you will not learn. You will not learn. It is important that you volunteer into this exercise so that you are participating in a wholeheartedly fashion. That is absolutely essential. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं ये कोई मुझे फोर्स करके करवा रहा है, फिर आप उस चीज को कभी भी अच्छे से नहीं कर पाएंगे, है ना? So what will happen is the entire concept will be presented to you by Rukmini, who will tell you which station will visit whom. That also you can tell. You please participate. You please share and tell us that you know how the entire arrangement should be made. At the end of the road, when we finish visiting each other, then we have a kind of a document which can then be applied to all the community radio stations. And this is not going to be a punitive exercise. I am standing here as a ministry representative, as a joint secretary. Please let me tell you that the entire purpose of the peer review is not to punish you or punish anybody and to cancel the license, because this community mobilization is not being done this way, this is not done that way. No. Idea is not that. Idea is learn, share, again learn, even if you fall down, get up and improve and move forward. And change, being an important agent of change. That is very important. अगर आपको अपनी कम्युनिटी में लगता है, जिस कम्युनिटी में आप काम करते हैं, अगर आपको लगता है कि वहाँ पे एजुकेशनल एक्सेस उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, वहाँ पे एम्पावरमेंट नहीं है, यू शुड बी द चेंज टू ब्रिंग दैट. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप यू आर द ओनली वन. देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु आर वर्किंग, बट यू कैन बी एन इम्पॉर्टेंट constituent to bring that change. That is what is the ultimate goal of this community radio movement. क्या goal है ultimate? ये जो पूरा community radio sector काम कर रहा है ministry के साथ, what exactly is the goal? To change the social fabric of our country for a better world, for a better society, and to do it with the community. Not to do it because somebody is asking you to do it or somebody is forcing upon you to do it. So I want to make it once again clear that the purpose of the exercise is not punitive. The purpose of the exercise is only learning and improving. So आप पहले सेल्फ असेसमेंट आप अपना करिए, उसके बाद एक दूसरे की कम्युनिटी रेडियोस को विजिट करें. आपसे एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ. यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने दूसरों की कम्युनिटी रेडियो स्टेशंस को देखा है? दो से ज्यादा. How many of you who have visited more than two community radio stations? So you can see about 50% people have visited, 50% people have not visited. What will happen is this also gives an opportunity to those who have not had a time and opportunity to visit the stations, because government ministry will take care of your travel, will take care of your accommodation, and all the incidental expenses that are coming out will be taken care of. But the ultimate goal, I'm telling again and again, is to have an ethical practice, to see to it that all of us are ethical in whatever we are doing. We are honest to ourselves, whatever exercises we are doing. We don't hide anything from each other. We learn from each other and we march ahead. Lastly, before I finish, we have the... Can somebody tell me what are the dates of the National Sammelan? Loudly please. बहुत सारे लोगों को लग रहा है पता नहीं है. 13 से 15 मार्च. Very good. यही मुझे सुनना था. तो 13 से 15 मार्च जब हमारा नेशनल सम्मेलन होगा, उसके पहले क्या हम कुछ कम्युनिटी रेडियोज का पीयर रिव्यूज खत्म कर सकते हैं? प्लीज ट्राई टू डू दैट। इसलिए क्योंकि कम्युनिटी रेडियो के नेशनल सम्मेलन में एक सेशन हम रखेंगे जिसमें आप में से कुछ लोग अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करें। Some of you should come on the stage and share your experience of peer review. That is the idea. So please, though some of you have already finished self-assessment, that is the second stage will be easy for you. Those who have not done self-assessment should do it quickly so that you are able to do at least few visits. Not all the visits will be completed, I understand that, because there will be time constraint, and don't rush also. Please don't rush. Do it properly. Take your time, reflect, think and do it properly.